Hi all, welcome to Nursing Lecturers. Today's topic is something that not just useful for students but also important for educators and even organizers. Panel discussion. So what is it, why it is important and how do we organize one effectively? Let's move to the topic. So moving to the definition, panel discussion. I have given two definitions that are taken from Asuda and Professor Harry A. Overstreet. I will give one tip. If you are writing a definition, you should write the definition from a textbook and you should mention the author and the textbook. It gives you full marks in that definition part. From if you have the definition for 2 marks, if you write like this, you have written from it the definition taken from a textbook, the author, and that you mention the name of the textbook, you will surely get that 2 marks. If you have written only the definition only, it will give 1 mark. So, what do you mean by panel discussion? A panel discussion is a discussion in which a few people carry on a conversation in front of the audience. That is the definition taken from R. Sudha. Then, the panel method is a discussion in which 4 to 8 persons qualified to talk about a topic sit and discuss a given problem in front of a large audience. It means in a panel discussion, there will be a small group of people, that means most from 4 to 8 persons, sit in front of a audience and talk about a specific subject. So that is meant by panel discussion. Moving to the purpose of panel discussion. What are the purpose of panel discussion? It stimulates thinking and encouraging the discussion, and it helps clarify ideas and opinions. It promotes open-mindedness and respectful listening. If one panelist is discussing about the topic or share their information ideas, the other panelists will respectfully listening to their views, opinions, etc. Then it also supports group problem solving skills and sharing their views. Then moving to the characteristics, it organizes teaching at reflective level and it encourages problem solving. The panel discussion encourages problem solving and panel discussion helps to deepen understanding the topic. Through discussion, the audience and panelists helps to understand the topic more clearly and deeply, and it enhances the presentation skills among the panelists and it supports creative thinking and right attitude development. Moving to the two types of panel discussion, that is public panel discussion and educational panel discussion. So what do you mean by public panel discussion? From the name itself, public. The public panel discussion is for the general public. It focuses on the current social issues. For example, unemployment, annual budget. For there is an annual budget, there will be a panel discussion regarding the topic about annual budget or unemployment, and it gives the information or current problems faced by the people or public. Educational panel discussion. It is used in educational institution. From the name itself, it is held in educational institutions like school, college, and university. It aims at explaining the concept or solving academic problems. For example, population education, exam reform, etc. You have already heard that when you there is a conducting a program in your college, the college authority will always saying that we will discuss and give the information to you. That mean they are conducting a panel discussion, educational panel discussion, and from that they are giving their opinion. After discussing, they are giving their opinion to you. So this is the educational panel discussion. So what are the roles? Roles in panel discussion: instructor, moderator. So what do you mean by instructor? Instructor plans and schedule the discussion. The instructor will plan when, where, and how the discussion will happen and prepare the schedule and rehearsals. The instructor will prepare the schedule and rehearsals. The next one is the moderator. Moderator keeps the discussion on track. The moderator always makes sure that the discussion is up to on the topic, not deviated from the topic, and encourages the interaction between the audience. And the moderator summarizes the key points at the end of the discussion. And the moderator should have the well information or well knowledge about the topic. Then next one is the panelist. So panelist. The next members of the panel discussion is the panelists. They are usually up to 4 to 10 members should be in the panelist, and they should sit in a semicircle with the moderator in the middle, and the panelist should have well knowledge about the topic. The next one is the audience. Audience can ask questions and share their views and experience about the topic, and panelists should answer the questions and clarify the doubt of audience. The procedures of panel discussion. Part A, putting a panel together. Part B, planning the discussion. Part C, moderating the discussion. So the procedure of panel discussion will be discussed in detail in the next video. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe this channel for more educational nursing lecture videos. Thank you.